Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make creamy spring rolls. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Now add 1 teaspoon chopped onion. Sauté onion for 1 minute. Now add 1 cup julienne cut carrot. Fry them until they become soft. Now add 1 cup capsicum. Again, fry capsicum for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 cup cabbage. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add mixture of soy sauce, chili sauce, and vinegar. 1 tablespoon each. Mix everything well. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it again. Now add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Give it a good mix and cook for more 2 minutes, so that chicken also absorb the flavors. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame. Let's prepare white sauce. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or butter. Once the butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Fry it for 1 minute. Now add 1 cup milk. Mix it continuously to avoid lumps. Mix it until it becomes thick. Now add 1 teaspoon chicken powder. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix them well. Now add vegetable chicken mixture. Mix them well. At the end, add 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce. Mix it and turn off the flame. Our filling is ready. Let's fill the rolls. Take a square roll sheet. Add mixture. Apply slurry on both sides. Now fold the 2 sides. Now fold the sheet. Apply the slurry at the end. Our spring roll is ready. In the same way, make the rest of rolls. It's super easy. You can freeze them for a month. Let's fry them. Once the oil is heated, add spring rolls. Fry them on medium flame. They are ready and looking so delicious. Take them out of oil. Enjoy with your favorite sauce. Thanks for watching.